how do you flip a video in Premiere Pro? If you want to rotate this, so basically flip vertically, that's easy, okay? You do the rotation. But how do you flip it horizontally? I'm making these tutorials and I have myself in the right bottom corner. So I'm looking this way, right? So basically the screen direction is I'm looking at what I'm doing. However, I'm covering something. So if I need to show my people, you, what I'm actually doing on this side of the screen, then what I have to do is I have to change the position of my face so people can see what is on the other side, what is happening on this side. But now I'm looking to the end of the frame. So I need to flip myself, okay? So how do I flip myself so I look in this direction towards what I'm doing? It's very simple. And because that, I'm gonna save you a lot of time, so do subscribe to my channel and check out the thanks button under this video. Go to effects, and there's literally an effect called flip. Horizontal flip, vertical flip, okay? As I mentioned, the horizontal flip will do it. Ta-da! Flip. And then all I have to do is literally just adjust my mask to be in the frame, and now I'm looking into what I'm doing. So this is how you flip the video. It doesn't matter which video. If you film yourself with your phone, selfie mode, you want to flip it in the end. This is how we do it. So very short, very to the point. Subscribe, check out my social media. If you have any questions, comment below, and I'll see you next time.